Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. X positive y the whole square negative x negative y the whole square equals to 72. In the equation above, x and y are positive integers. Which of the following cannot be the value of x positive y? Okay, in the given answer choices, we have to find the one which cannot be the value of this expression x positive y. Okay, now let me take the given equation as it is. That is x positive y the whole square negative x negative y the whole square equals to 72. Okay, now we have to simplify the expression we have on the left side. That is, we have to expand the square of the binomial over here and the square of the binomial over here. For that, let me consider the two algebraic identities. That is the expansion of the square of a binomial a positive b the whole square, and another one is a negative b the whole square. Okay, the expansion of the square of this binomial is a square positive 2ab positive b square. And the expansion of the square of this binomial is a square negative 2ab positive b square. When we have positive sign between a and b, here 2ab is positive. When we have negative sign between a and b, here 2ab is negative. Okay, now let me consider this particular stuff. That is x positive y the whole square. This is exactly in this form, a positive b the whole square. At the place of a we have x, at the place of b we have y. Now to get the expansion of this one, we can use this trinomial. In this trinomial, we have to replace a by x and b by y. Then I am getting x square positive 2xy positive y square. So this is the expansion of the square of the binomial over here. Negative. To get expansion of the square of this binomial, we have to use this one, because here we have negative sign between x and y. So we can use this trinomial to get the expansion of this one. That is, in this trinomial we have to replace a by x and b by y. Then I am getting x square negative 2xy positive y square equals to 72. Okay, now let me remove the parenthesis for this trinomial. Then we get x square positive 2xy positive y square. Okay, now we have to distribute this negative sign to each term inside the parenthesis over here. When I distribute this negative sign to this x square, I am getting negative x square. When I multiply this negative and negative, I am getting positive 2xy. And when I multiply this negative and positive, I am getting negative y square equals to 72. Here positive x square, negative x square will cancel out. A positive y square, negative y square will cancel out. When I combine this positive 2xy and positive 2xy, I am getting positive 4xy. On the right side, we have 72. Now let me divide both sides of this equation by 4. When I do so, this 4 will cancel out. Xy equals to, when I divide 72 by 4, I am getting 18. Okay, I got the product that is x times y equals to 18. And the question says x and y are positive integers. Now let me get possible values for x and y, so that x and y are positive integers, and also x times y equals to 18. Okay, let me write x over here and y over here. First, let me take the first positive integer for x, that is 1. When x equals 1, what should be the value of y? So that x times y equals to 18. Then y should be 18. So that 1 times 18 is equal to 18. And also we have to make sure both the values of x and y must be positive integers. Okay, and also 18 is a multiple of 2. So we can consider the positive integer 2 for x. When x equals to 2, then y should be 9. So that 2 times 9 is 18. And also 18 is a multiple of 3. So we can consider the positive integer 3 for x. In that case, the value of y must be 6. So that 3 times 6 is 18. But 18 is not a multiple of 4. So we cannot consider the positive integer 4 for x. And also 18 is not a multiple of 5. But 18 is a multiple of 6. So we can consider 6 for x. In that case, the value of y must be 3. And now to get the other pairs, we just have to switch these two values and these two values. Because already we got that 3, 6. That is 3 for x and 6 for y. But the next pair is here, this 6 becomes a value of x and this 3 becomes a value of y. Okay, the next one is going to be 9, 2. That is the value of x is 9 and the value of y is 2. And the value of x is 18, the value of y is 1. Okay, anyways, we get 6 pairs of values for x and y, so that x and y are positive integers, and also x times y is 18. Okay, now what we can do is we can get the value of this x positive y from these 6 pairs. Okay, here x positive y equals to, when it comes to the first pair, that is x is equal to 1 and y equals to 18, 1 positive 18 is, we get 19. When I consider the second pair, then 2 positive 9, I am getting 11. When I consider the third pair, 3 positive 6 is 9. When I consider the fourth pair and fifth pair, sixth pair, so I'll be getting the same values will be repeated. That is, when I consider this one, 6 positive 3 is 9. Already we have considered 9. And also when I consider this one, 9 and 2, 9 positive 2 is 11. That is taken out here. 18 positive 1 is 19. Okay, so the possible value for x positive y is 19, 11, 9. We find these two values in answer choice A, B and C. So we have only these values, one of these three values as the value of x positive y. At any choice, 24 cannot be the value of x positive y. So the correct answer choice for this question is D.